Good morning, guys. It's quite a few vlogs today, from day 3, day 4, day 5, day 7. About 5 days actually, I think, because it's day 7. Sorry I haven't done any, but I've had a slight break because I've not been very well. I've still got a bit of a cold, but not much. I've had a busy few days. Actually, I've been to doing some shopping on Thursday and did some shopping yesterday. Still trying to get over my cold, and it's like my muscles are aching really badly this month. But I'm going to show you my new top I bought. It was only £3. Yeah, £3 was on the ticket there. Oh, this is my new top I bought. I like the material because it's like thin but warm as well at the same time. And I've got some new shoes as well to go. But I needed some new shoes. Oh, sorry guys. And see, all it happens when I start talking and you get that tickle in your throat. It was the same yesterday. I had 2 asthma attacks yesterday. I had one in the town because I had a cough fit in the town. Because when you're coming in and out of the shops and then going back in the cold and you start coughing. And sorry guys, and this is what happens. But wait on guys, I'll be back in a minute. Need the window open, I think. Really sorry about that, guys. I had to get the phlegm out. Yeah. As you heard, that's like nearly going to be sick. Cough. And that's what happened yesterday in town. Well, I opened the window to get some air in today. Yesterday I'm doing roast chicken, fresh vegetables. I've got broccoli, parsnips, collie, turnip. I thought I'll do fresh vegetables today because that's for a treat. And then I am doing fruit cocktail later. I'm going to do that with rice pudding for afterwards. Put some bananas in. Even though I don't like bananas, but they say bananas are supposed to help you when you've got a cold, and fruit's supposed to help you, or something like that. I don't know. But I'm drinking later today. I'm going to start drinking in the afternoon, around about 2 o'clock. So it's going to be a lot more better for me than drink about 12 o'clock, because I normally... Ow! Oh. I'm sorry guys, I need to do it again. Oh, sorry about that. But yeah, I'm going to drink about 2 or 3 o'clock. And so, but you know what they say, what makes you bad makes you better. So, I'm going to do that today. Sorry about the coughing, lark, guys, but Now you can see I'm not too good in myself with my chest, but hey, it's how it goes this time of year. Right, done. Oh, that was horrible. Speak to you guys later. Be cool, be happy, stay tuned. Queen, Hell's Bells, Frogs, Bids. Bye.